Hello students, in today's class I am going to teach you fractions in the lowest terms.
Learn about fractions in the lowest terms. A fraction is in its lowest terms or simplest form when its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. Look at a few examples. Example 1. 4 upon 7 is in its lowest terms. Let us see how. First, let us find the factors of 4 and 7. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Here, the common factor of 4 and 7 is 1. Thus, we say that 4 upon 7 is in its lowest terms. Example 2. 8 upon 12 is not in its lowest terms. Let us see how. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Here, the common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. Thus, we say that 8 upon 12 is not in its lowest terms. Kids, now let us see how to reduce a fraction to its lowest terms or its simplest form. To do this, we divide the numerator and the denominator by their highest common factor. Let us understand it in a better way by solving a few examples. Example 1. Write 5 upon 15 in its lowest terms or simplest form. First, we find the factors of 5 and 15. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Here, the HCF of 5 and 15 is 5. As stated earlier, we will divide both the numerator, that is 5, and the denominator, that is 15, by 5. Thus, 5 divided by 5 upon 15 divided by 5 is equal to 1 upon 3. Therefore, the lowest terms or simplest form of 5 upon 15 is 1 upon 3, as 1 and 3 have only 1 as their common factor.
Now we will start exercise 2. First main, ring the fractions that are in the lowest terms. 8th one, 2 by 5. Here you can observe that HCF of 2 and 5 is 1. Therefore, 2 by 5 is in the lowest term. Bth one, 3 by 18. Here HCF of 3 and 18 is 3. So, it is not in the lowest term. Next, Cth one, 1 by 2. HCF of 1 and 2 is 1. So, it is in its lowest term. Dth one, 7 by 17. Here also HCF of 7 and 17 is 1. This one also in lowest term. Next, 6 by 11. Here HCF of 6 and 11 is 1. So, here also this fraction is in lowest term. So, the given fraction is in its lowest term if the HCF of numerator and denominator is 1. Now, second main, reduce the fractions to the lowest terms by dividing by common factors. Eighth sum 3 by 12. Here, to reduce the given fraction to the lowest term, you have to find the HCF of 3 and 12. HCF of 3 and 12 is 3. Now, divide both numerator and denominator by 3. 3 by 3 equal to 1. 12 by 3 equal to 4. Answer is 1 by 4. Bth 1. 18 by 27. Find the HCF of 18 and 27, that is 9. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 9. We will get 2 by 3. Remaining sum complete in your classwork book. Now third main also. Similarly, you can solve all the sums.
Look, a coloring competition is going on between Andy and Anaya. Let us find out who colors more and also learn comparison of fractions with them. First is the kite coloring round. Look, Anaya colored 2/4 of the kite and Andy colored 3/4 of the kite. Let us find out who colored more. Did you notice that both the fractions have 4 in their denominators? Hence, here we will only compare the numerators as the denominators are the same, that is 4. So here 2 is less than 3. Hence, we can say that 2/4 is less than 3/4 or 3/4 is greater than 2/4. That is, when the denominators of 2 or more fractions are the same, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. Remember, fractions that have the same number in their denominators are called like fractions. Andy wins this round as he colored more than Anaya. Next round is of coloring the spinners. Anaya painted 1/5 of the spinner and Andy painted 1/9 of the spinner. Let us find out who colored more of a spinner. Look, here the numerators are same. When the numerators of 2 or more fractions are the same, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater, as 5 is smaller than 9. So, we can say that 1/5 is greater than 1/9, or 1/9 is less than 1/5. Remember, fractions that have different numbers in their denominators are called unlike fractions. Look, this time Anaya was quicker than Andy in coloring.
Now in the final round, they are coloring the ribbons with different colors.
Anaya
Colored 2/5 of the ribbon and Andy colored 3/4 of the ribbon. Let's find out who colored more of a ribbon. Here, the fractions are unlike with different numerators. One method for comparing such fractions is by cross multiplication of numerators and denominators. Thus, we get 2 multiplied by 4 upon 5 multiplied by 4 and 3 multiplied by 5 upon 4 multiplied by 5. On cross multiplying, we get the answers as 8 upon 20 and 15 upon 20. Look, we got like fractions. Now compare them. Here, 8 upon 20 is less than 15 upon 20. So we can say that 2/5 is less than 3/4. We can also compare these fractions by taking the LCM of the denominators. Here, the LCM of 5 and 4 is 20. Next, we multiply the fractions with 4 and 5 respectively to get equivalent fractions. Now compare the like fractions. Here 8 upon 20 is smaller than 15 upon 20. Thus, 2/5 is less than 3/4.
Now we will start exercise 3. First main, compare the fractions without finding the LCM. Put less than, greater than or equal in the circle. To compare the given fraction, first we have to find the LCM of denominator. That is, LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. After that, take the fraction 1 by 2. In denominator we should get 4. So, multiply numerator and denominator by 2. What we got? 1 into 2 equal to 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4. Next fraction 1 by 4. Here denominator is 4 itself. So, we have to multiply by 1, or as it is you can write. We will get 1 by 4. Dear students, which is greater, 2 by 4 or 1 by 4? Yes, you are right. 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4. 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. Second main, compare the fractions and put less than, greater than or equal in the circle. First sum is 3 by 4 and 2 by 3. First find the LCM of the denominator. That is, LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. So, first fraction 3 by 4. Here we should get in the denominator 12. So, if I multiply for denominator 4 by 3, I will get the denominator 12. If you multiply for the denominator, you should multiply for numerator also. So, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Next fraction 2 by 3. Here also multiply denominator by 4, so that I will get denominator 12. Numerator 2 into 4 equal to 8. Now you compare the fraction. 9 by 12, which is greater than 8 by 12. Therefore, 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. Third main, arrange in ascending order. That is, we have to start from smaller fraction to bigger fraction. To write the given fraction in ascending order, first you have to find the LCM. LCM of 3, 4 and 5 is 60. So, the fraction 1 by 3, here you should multiply numerator by 20 and denominator by 20, so that we will get denominator 60. 1 into 20 is 20, 3 into 20 is 60. For 1 by 4 fraction, we should multiply numerator and denominator by 15, so that in the denominator we will get 60 and numerator 15. 1 by 5 multiply numerator and denominator by 12, so that 1 into 12 equal to 12, 5 into 12 equal to 60. In all the given fraction, we got denominator 60. So, you can find 12 divided by 60 less than 15 by 60 less than 20 by 60. That is nothing but 1 by 5 less than 1 by 4 less than 1 by 3.